What's the meaning of breathlessness? Breathlessness. Breathlessness.
Breathlessness. Breathlessness. Breathlessness refers to a feeling of difficulty or discomfort in breathing, usually due to insufficient oxygen supply to the lungs. It can be caused by various factors such as physical exertion, high altitude, severe respiratory illnesses, or underlying medical conditions like asthma or heart disease. Breathlessness may present with symptoms like shortness of breath, rapid breathing, chest tightness, wheezing, and coughing. The severity of breathlessness can range from mild to life-threatening, depending on the underlying cause and the individual's overall health. Proper diagnosis and timely intervention are crucial in managing breathlessness and improving the quality of life for affected individuals.